So to install iyanko on an iOS device, you first go to Safari. So I'm just going to tap on Safari there. Then when you come to Safari, you just type in the search iyanko.com. So I'm just going to type in iyanko.com there. Then once I'm on this page, for most iOS devices, you're going to see this share button here at the bottom. So the share button is that button that's there in the middle of the screen at the bottom. But for some other devices, you're going to see 3 dots on the bottom right corner. So you just tap on those 3 dots and then you're going to see the share button. So you tap on the share button and it's going to open this tray. So once it opens this tray, you just scroll to the bottom and then you are going to see add to home screen button. So you just tap on add to home screen and this is going to show the iyanko icon there. And then I'm just going to tap on add and this is going to add iyanko to my device. So now I can simply tap on iyanko there and it's going to open exactly as other applications open on devices.